Hi, good day. My name is Damian Daniel Jr., second year at T8 Maestro Community College, Mechanical Technology field. This video, I am going to tell you about my project and what was done. First off, my project, I do interior restoration and modification of a AE91 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle was sponsored by one of our stakeholders, Mr. Tyson. Inside, the car was disassembled and then the parts were inspected to fix. The dashboard had cracks and plastics were flaking. Here is an image to show how it looked when it came out of the car. I wanted to make a custom dash for the car, these here, right? But there were just not enough funds for material, and it was also led to a lot of noise when driven. To restore the dashboard, let's try the application of fiberglass onto the dash in order to cover the areas with the cracks. Here's a video showing the fiberglass when it was out. But that did not work out so well. Due to the amount of layers, the fiberglass covered the cracks, still sunk when pressure was added to it.
Alright, so here we have, this is after putting down the carbon fiber, but then I came up across a problem where the cracks itself, the fiber is being a little soft, so we have to cut it open and fill it in. I use some filler over that, and afterwards, sand down all the rough areas and then prepare for spray.
To fix this, I had to use a blade and cut the cracks at an angle in order to form a ravine, making it easier for the body filler to level out the whole surface area for a smoother finish. The body filler is used because it's easier to work with and suitable for molding process. In applying the body filler, it has to be in a quick manner before the hardener makes the entire mix too hard to work with. This both takes patience and skill to complete. Part the dash was to fill those areas with the curves. In the end, a sander was used to smooth the entire surface of the board. For the door panels, my plan was to use a plexiglass place vinyl behind it, giving it a sort of effect, a dimension look. From the inspiration of our recent theme with the flat flush look.
Here we have the door panel after the cardboard is moved, showing all the exposed handles and button areas. And then here it has a next layout of the size of how the door is looking. These are other images showing the door. This image here shows an example for the inspiration for the door that was made.
This material was costly at $100 a piece. and needing 4, it was too expensive, which could not be afforded. This had to be a resort to another material called foam board, which is $36 a piece and very much lighter and easier to work with. This is the foam board here, right? Easier to shape in and fit in for the door handles and window buttons. For the seats, they look like they were sunburnt after being exposed in the open for so long, and they lost their color. I was planning on getting a restoration kit for spraying the seats that could have been acquired within the time given. Another plan was to make customized covers for all the seats of the car, but that was too expensive also. Last resort was to fix the problem by hand, to sew the rib seats, as you see.
These images show the other plastic pieces that were sprayed along with the dash area.
The carpet was also quite dirty and was dusted out and had to be vacuumed. My source of components came from Mr. Tyson, Mr. Kenneth Noel, Mr. Kevin Morin, and the rest from my own pocket. The only challenge that I really had was the little funds I had, and sponsorship. Being a student, not having a job or any income in hand, took a toll with the end result of this.